Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love to make everything that has to do with junk journals, and if this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. I have 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, and to enter, you just subscribe and leave me a respectful comment. A shout out to Joyce, Maybelline, Nancy, Vicky, and McKinsey. I appreciate each and every one of you. I've had a request to show how to make bead dangles. You can put these on journals, you can put them on journaling cards, you can do all kinds of things with them. And I have just a variety of things here to show you that they can come in any shapes and sizes. You can even do like little clusters, like this one right here. It's just a cluster. It has a, what's that nut called? I don't remember. And a wooden bead and a little tassel, an acorn. Yeah, it came to me, an acorn. And then this one just has 2 beads and a little tassel, and it's on a little clip. These are just long tassels like this, bead tassels, dangles, but this one has a little flower on the end. This one has a heart. This one's our natural stones here. So you can do whatever your little heart desires. Let's push these out of the way, and I'll show you what you're going to need. You are going to need these. These are 2-inch eye pins. You buy them in the craft department where the beads are. They will be there too. They come in different colors. They come in this color, and they come in the gold, and they come in silver. They come with a little round end, and they come with little hook ends. Let me see if I can grab my hook end. Here we are. Hooked ends. This little circle. So this is what you're going to want if you're going to make these dangles. So I am going to grab myself one out of this little container. Let's see, I want a little longer one than that. Here we are. Here's one. Now, you're going to need to get yourself some beads. I just happen to grab these here, and I have some more. As you can use whatever bead you want, as long as it fits on your piece of wire. Any bead. If it doesn't fit on the piece of wire, you're not going to be able to use it. So that's how you decide what you want to use, and the color you want, the style you want. I have a few pearls in here. You could do a pearl. You want to do that shabby chic look. The pearls look wonderful. It's just, it's your preference and what you're working for. So then you're going to need to get a tool like this. This tool is tapered and exactly the same on both. I don't know what this thing's called. I really don't. I'm so sorry. I don't know what they call this. You know me in words. I don't know what they call it. Okay, so what you'll want to do, you'll want to get a few charms, or if you don't want a charm, you can get the beads. You could put a bead on the end, as long as, once you get the hang of it, you can do your own beads with this wire inside. You can make your own. If you're not there yet, you can buy these already done this way for you. And then you're going to want these little rings and something else you're going to need. So first we're going to want to, let me set this aside, is fill up your wire. Now, that wire's pretty doggone crooked. Get one that's not so crooked. That's a little better. Let's just say you want a short dangle. You don't want a long one at all. These come in different lengths. See, these are short. They come in all different lengths. So we're just going to put some of these on here. Let's see if I can show you one that I already did that had something different inside. Okay, this one. See, it doesn't have to be bead, bead, bead. This is a This has an end bead cap on it. It has 2 little flat beads in here. See, you can make it whatever your heart's desired. It doesn't have to just be a bead and a bead and a bead and a bead. Okay, so let's just get some things going on here. I have no idea. I don't have anything in mind what I'm making this for. I'm not making it for anything except for showing you guys what I'm doing. There we go. That's really pretty. I don't know what's going on with my voice today. Okay. There. That's beautiful, don't you think? Very, very pretty. Okay, I don't want it to be any longer than that. So if you want to cut your wire, you're going to need a wire cutter like this. And you'll just need to cut it off about that far away, because you're going to have to put a hook on it, on this end. So how you do that is you take this tool and you truly bend it all the way over. It's going to be, you're going to say, what the heck are you doing? Because that's what I said when I first learned how to do it. It's like, how is that going to work? But then what you do is you take it and you bend it all the way over on the other side, and you just turn it. It's hard to do on camera, guys. And can you see it just made a hook? And bending it over on the edge makes this part straight. Go figure, right? I don't know, but it does. And you need to do it that way. Otherwise, your little hook is going to be cattywampus to the world. And you don't want it to be like that. You won't like the end result. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my little rings here. And I am going to select a size. I'm going to select kind of a big size here so you can see it better. Not that tool, Cathy. You're going to need to pull them apart just a little bit. You're just going to pull that apart just a little bit. And you're going to slip that right in. Then, if you want to add a charm, you pick the charm you want. That has a little piece of wire on it. We won't use that one. We'll use this one. You hear my little puppy? I just fed her and she's in her little crate and she wants out now. And you just close it right up. Can you see that I closed it? I closed that ring. So now you have your dangle, and you can either take another ring and attach it to what you want, or you can take one of these and attach it. Now, you can open this back up if you want, or you can get yourself another little ring. I'm trying to get it out here. Frankie, I'll be there in a minute, baby. I'll keep her quiet for a second until she realizes she's not coming. She's not coming. You open them up, pull them straight out. Don't twist them, because then you get your circle all wacky and out of circle, out of round. Hook that right on. You close this right back up. See, you'll need two of these tools right here. So you will need a few tools to do this. And there is a learning curve to this, you guys. Don't get frustrated, because you have to start being able to feel like these are extensions of your hands to be able to really get it to work well. And all that takes is practice. That's all it takes. I mean, heavenly days. Look how many I've done. I've done so many. I used to make jewelry like crazy. I've got all these that I made. Practice. That's all you have to do is practice. So don't get upset with yourself. And y'all go and you have a great time. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.